Hello everyone, this is an amethyst cluster and I use this personally for my meditations, for my healings. So इसको हम कैसे चार्ज करेंगे? तो जब इसके थोड़ा टाइम हो जाता है तो I wash it under the fresh water tap, give it a little bit morning sunlight, and also full moon or new moon I keep it in the night outside in the under the open sky, and then in this way we can program our crystals which are for the personal use. So I am now charging this crystal cluster with my pendulum so that it is programmed for me. So as you can see, this pendulum of 7 chakra, it is charging my crystal. And it will help to the crystals to regenerate all the energies and get programmed for me. This we can practice if we handle a dowser very nicely, if we are programmed or connected with the dowser. So if you want to learn this dowsing, you can enroll for my workshop of dowsing. They are very easy techniques, tools and different modalities or different ways how you can use your dowser. You can connect with it, you can know the future, you can get the guidance, but basic thing is you need to connect. So you can come and join online workshop of dowsing. This is one of the way that I am showing you can be done with the dowser. There are multiple things that can be done. So this crystal is now charging. It is charging for me, for my work, for my meditations. It will be programmed. And these energies will be there in the crystal for a very long time. If you are already into meditations and you are not practicing, still these crystals will generate those energies for you 24/7. So it's a very easy and quick method. Just you have to connect with the dowser, learn the technique.